Hello students, welcome in our online class organized by South Point English Boarding School. Today we are gathered here for our class 9. We are entering unit 2. And students, earlier we have to discuss about the different factor affecting population change. Today we are going to discuss about the factor affecting death and the factor affecting migration. Let's start our topic. Class 9, subject EPH 8. Our unit is 2.3. And students, today we are going to discuss about factors affecting death and migration. Students, earlier we discussed about the death and migration. Death is a natural phenomenon which affects the population change, and migration is artificial phenomenon activities. It is not natural and it affects people in different activities. Students, let's start our factors affecting death. Students, there are three types of factors categorized: social factor, economic factors, and the last one is environmental factor. Environmental factors. Students, in social factor there are different things. Please list it. Illiteracy, other disease, lack of health services, and there is economic factor, poverty, and the other is lack of balanced diet. And the environmental factor one is climate and natural calamities. And the other is pollution. List it please and discuss about it. Listen students, these social factors affect the daily, means cause death. Illiteracy, when there is no education, no literate about the people how to read and write, it is called illiteracy. When there is illiteracy, people do not have concept about balanced diet, they do not have about different types of use of health services and facility. Rather, going in hospital, they have to visit the witchcraft for treatment of disease. That's why they have the death, number of death of people is going to be high. Other is disease. Disease is also one of the factors affecting the death. It creates different types of threatened disease like AIDS, hepatitis B, these types of, now the COVID-19, these types of disease also cause death. This is the current issue. And other, the lack of health service. Where there is lack of health service, due to lack of health service, the availability is minor, and all people who are in poor or in margin line, they do not get sufficient health services and they become die due to the lack of health services, and death rate is going to be high. Students, according to 2011, our crude death rate is 2001, according to 2001, the death is 9.6, and according to 2011 maybe the CDR is going to be 6.0. Rather it is going to be low, but now still the CDR is 6.0 per thousand. It is not good. Other the economic factor. For economic factor, poverty means garibi. So where there is lack of shelter, food and cloth or health service or facility, this is called poverty. So due to poverty, people can't get different types of facility and the death is going to be high. Other the lack of balanced diet. Now we know that our country is developing country. All people do not have sufficient balanced diet according to their age, sex and nature. So that's why lack of balanced diet, the different types of malnutrition disease, kwashiorkor disease, anemia disease. Due to this disease, the death rate is going to be high, people must die. Other is the environmental factor. Students, you have idea that climate, where there is hot climate, people become mature earlier and they become older earlier. That's why their death is going to be high. But in cold climate, the people become mature in lately and they also become old in late age and their life expectancy age is low. Other natural calamities, it is one of the known climate events. Earthquake, volcano eruption, flood, these types of calamities are known as natural calamities. Due to natural calamities in our country, the death is going to be high. In the 2017, there is one of the earthquake events is going to happen, and if lots of people is caused death due to the natural calamities. Other there is pollution. Pollution means impurity. Pollution means impurity. Impurity means the decline of originality. So due to the air pollution, water pollution, food pollution, land pollution, these people become weak, people become ill, and the death rate is going to be, they have roasted life, the rate is going to be high. These are the factors affecting death. And now the other is the factor affecting migration. Factors affecting migration. Migration, you know that moving here and there is known as migration. It means moving one place to another place for shelter, for job work is known as migration. And the migration social factor is education, marriage, transportation, health services, entertainment, other is economic factor, employment, industrialization, other fertile land, and the environmental factor is same too. So let's discuss about it. Students, people migrate due to facility of education, and there is two types of migration: immigration and immigration, international or national migration, internal migration. So due to education, due to get proper education, quality education, people have to move from one place to another. For example, there are different types of example in our society. People have to going abroad for study, village people have to migrate in town for study. These types of marriage is one of the life events which is universalization. So always the girls have to go or migrate in the husband's house, and the migration is going to happen. It means the one place people and other place, origin place and destination place is going to be changed. Other the transportation facility, due to transportation facility, Due to health services facility, people have to migrate from one place to another place. Other entertainment, where there is more facility of entertainment, people have to attract toward here and people have to migrate. The migration, the number of people is going to be changed. Economic factor, other is employment. To get employment opportunity, we know that our country has less employment opportunity. People, because all facility services are in industrialization, are in urban area, rural area is empty. That's why due to employment, due to job, lots of people have to migrate from village to town, and the migration is happen. Also people have to go abroad or other country, foreign country for the employment. Other there is industrialization. Due to industrialization, people attract to the facilitated place. They want to stay in those places where there is more facility, and that's why people migrate from one place to another. It means people migrate from urban place, rural place to urban place. Other there is fertile land. We know that fertile land is one of the main key of the people's livelihood. They want to stay in fertile land. Where there is fertile land, people have to spend more time there, and they have to grow different types of crops, different types of vegetables, different types of food items, and stay their life easily. That's why their fertile land is also one of the cause of migration. Students, other is the environmental factor. So due to environmental factor, first of the climate, most of the people want to moderate climate. Moderate climate means not too hot, not too cold. And due to so that's why people in Himalaya region, in hilly regions, there is the climate is not suitable for all people. That's why they have to migrate in moderate climate. And due to this climate, migration event is going to be happen, and the number of people is going to be changed. Other than natural calamities, due to the flood, due to soil eruption, due to the earthquake, volcano eruption, etc. These are the life-threatening events, and where there is these types of events is going to be happen acutely and frequently, people have to migrate from those places. They want to stay or migrate in safe place. That's why the migration is going to be happen due to the natural calamities, and these all are the factors affecting death and migration. Earlier we have to discuss about the death, and there is the migration. Students, there is a question for 7 mark question. You know that in EPS subject there is one of the question 1 mark, 4 marks, and last one the 7 mark. The 7 mark question is that there is a question I have to written for you. What are the factors affecting death and migration, list and describe all of them. Describe all of them. Students, this question contains 7 marks. So do it and be safe in your home. Again, I hope again we will meet in our next class. Thank you. Bye.